An upcoming Vivo smartphone, which appears to be part of the upcoming Vivo X300 series. In a new Weibo post, the tipster shared early details about an imaging-focused flagship device. As per reports, the X300 series may go official as early as September in China. Vivo flagship phone will have a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel IMX882 telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. The device is expected to retain premium features such as full waterproofing, wireless charging, ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and a compact 6.3-inch display, making it one of Vivo's smallest flagships in recent years. Paired with a MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, the Geekbench listing further reveals that the Vivo X300 series phone is equipped with 16GB of RAM and Android 16. While official details about the Vivo X300 series launch are still under wraps, an October launch is a strong possibility. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.